everyone. We are going to study today about the functional divisions of the nervous system. The nervous system can also be divided on the basis of its functions. The nervous system is involved in receiving information about the environment around us. Sensory functions, that is called as sensation, and generating responses to that information, that is motor functions or responses. And coordinating the two is called as integration. One by one, we are going to study about all these three topics. First is sensation. Sensation refers to receiving information about the environment, either what is happening outside, that is heat from the sun, or inside the body, that is heat from muscle activity. These sensations are known as stimuli. Singular form, we can call it as stimulus also. And different sensory receptors are responsible for detecting different stimuli. Sensory information travels towards the CNS to the PNS nerves in the specific division known as the efferent or sensory branch of the PNS. When information arises from sensory receptors in the skin, skeletal muscles, or joints, this is known as somatic sensory information. When information arises from sensory receptors in the blood vessels or internal organs, this is known as visceral sensory information. Now, second thing is response. The nervous system produces a response in effector organs such as muscles or glands due to the sensory stimuli. The motor, that is, efferent branch of the PNS, carries signals away from the CNS to the effector organs. When the effector organ is a skeletal muscle, the information is called somatic motor. When the effector organ is cardiac or smooth muscle or glandular tissue, the information is called visceral autonomic motor. Voluntary responses are governed by the somatic nervous system, and involuntary responses are governed by the autonomic nervous system, which are discussed in the next section. Third thing is integration. Stimuli that are received by the sensory structures are communicated to the nervous system where that information is processed. This is called integration. In the CNS, that is the central nervous system, stimuli are compared with or integrated with other stimuli, memories of previous stimuli, or the state of a person at a particular time. This leads to the specific response that will be generated. In the figure, you can see peripheral nervous system and the central nervous system. Here is the sensory information. Eye is shown. Here is efferent neuron. Here is efferent neuron. And finally, it is reaching the effector organ. Here is the spinal cord and the brain, that is central nervous system.